This is my family. I call you my family. And I love you so much. We love Reverend so much. And when he's here, we sit down and we want to listen because we want to feel the presence of God with us. And we want him to tell us the truth about God. Because Jesus says, I am the way, the truth, and the life. And the life. We current family, I really like words this day. Because we have really danced. We are now expecting food. We are going to be served with lunch. We are happy that you come. You give us. We dine together. And the Bible says that when our journey shall be over, we shall be together with the Lord and we shall dine together again. We really shall find each other in heaven. We shall dance the way we are dancing. And we shall make merry and remember how great the Lord is. I was so happy when the song was conducted there by my sister, that I will call upon the Lord. And I remembered the time I taught that chorus to a class 4 when I was a little bit young, and I was really exhorting the Lord and saying, surely you are worth it. Thank you very much, and God bless you. When you get over the other side, pass our love to the brethren and your families. Brothers and sisters who are seated on the grass,